Imagine buying groceries, booking flights, staying in luxury hotels, and even getting your phone insurance without paying anything extra. Sounds impossible? Yet millions of people do this every single day, not because they're rich, but because they know how to use credit cards the right way. Today, we will discover how smart people turn ordinary spending into free travel, cashback, exclusive perks, and a stronger financial future. Most people think credit cards are dangerous, and they're not completely wrong. Every year, millions fall into debt because they spent money they can't afford to repay. But here's what most people never realize. The same tool that traps some people creates incredible opportunities for others. The difference isn't the credit card, it's how you use it. When used responsibly, a credit card becomes one of the most powerful financial tools you can own. Many people no longer think of a credit card as a way to borrow money. They think of it as a rewards machine. Every purchase becomes an opportunity. Buying groceries can earn cash back. Filling up your gas tank can earn rewards. Dining at restaurants can earn bonus points. Shopping online can unlock exclusive offers. Even paying your monthly bills can help you collect rewards. Instead of letting money disappear, every dollar you spend starts working for you. But here's the secret. There isn't one perfect credit card. Different lifestyles need different cards. If you travel frequently, travel rewards cards can earn airline miles, hotel points, airport lounge access, travel insurance, and even reimburse fees for faster airport security programs. If most of your budget goes toward groceries, gas, and household shopping, cashback cards designed for everyday spending could return hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. Students often begin with beginner-friendly cards that help them establish a strong credit history. That credit history can later help them rent an apartment, finance a car, or qualify for lower interest rates on future loans. Business owners often choose business credit cards. These help separate personal and business expenses while earning rewards on advertising, office supplies, travel, and business purchases. The best credit card isn't the one with the most advertisements. It's the one that matches the way you already spend your money. And the rewards don't stop there. Many people never realize how many hidden benefits their credit card includes. Some cards provide purchase protection if something you buy gets damaged or stolen shortly after purchase. Others extend the manufacturer's warranty without any extra cost. Some protect your mobile phone if it's accidentally damaged. Many include rental car insurance, trip cancellation coverage, delayed baggage reimbursement, fraud protection, and even concierge services. Sometimes these hidden benefits are worth far more than the rewards themselves. Now here's how experienced credit card users actually play the game. They don't spend more money because they have a credit card. They simply replace cash or debit card purchases with credit card purchases they were already planning to make. Then they pay their entire statement balance every single month, not the minimum payment, the full balance. That means they avoid paying interest while still collecting every reward. The banks still earn money from merchant transaction fees, but these users never give the bank a single dollar in interest. That's the real strategy. So, which type of credit card is right for you? If you travel often, choose a travel rewards card. If you spend the most on groceries and gas, a cashback card may give you the highest value. If you eat out frequently, a dining rewards card could maximize your points. Students should look for beginner-friendly cards that help build credit responsibly. Business owners can benefit from business rewards cards that simplify expenses and generate valuable rewards. There isn't one card that's perfect for everyone. There is only the card that's perfect for your lifestyle. Now, imagine two people. Both spend $30,000 every year. The first person pays with cash or a debit card. At the end of the year, they've earned nothing. The second person spends exactly the same amount, but they use the right credit card. They pay every statement balance in full, never pay interest, and by the end of the year, they've earned free flights, hotel stays, cash back, purchase protection, travel benefits, and a stronger credit score. Same spending, completely different outcome. Because building wealth isn't always about earning more money. Sometimes it's simply about making every dollar work harder. So the next time you reach into your wallet, ask yourself one simple question. Is your money working for you, or are you letting opportunities slip away with every purchase? Choose wisely, Spend responsibly, pay your balance in full every month, and let every swipe move you one step closer to a smarter financial future. Because in the end, the smartest credit card isn't the one with the biggest rewards, it's the one that fits your lifestyle and helps you build wealth instead of debt. If you want me to make another video on exactly which card you should carry on the basis of your expenses, do comment below.